alongside the president, billionaire Elon Musk insisted his aggressive moves to slash spending are only meant to fulfill Trump's vision.
I'm a technologist, and I try to make technologies that improve the world and make life better.
Sure.
Yeah, and that's why my t-shirt says tech support, because I'm here to provide the president with technology support.
As the job cuts and lawsuits mount, even some Republicans have started urging Musk and his team of young computer gurus known as Doge to slow down and check their work. Just last night, the U.S. Department of Agriculture admitted it had accidentally fired some veterinarians and animal health technicians working to prevent the spread of bird flu. The agency said it was working to swiftly rectify the situation and rescind dismissal letters. In a new decision, federal judge Tanya Chutkin said Musk's arrangement appears to be the unchecked authority of an unelected individual. But she said she could not restrain Doge's efforts to access federal computer systems without clear evidence of imminent, irreparable harm.
I respect him. I've always respected him.
President Trump argued Musk has been the key to ensuring his ambitious executive orders actually get implemented.
What he does is he takes it, and with his 100 geniuses, he's got some very brilliant young people. He gets it done. He's a leader.
But Musk has also spread many false claims about his work. He said that millions of dead people are still getting Social Security checks, that the Department of Education had been eliminated. And he has accused myriad government offices of scams, corruption, and crimes without proof. The White House struggled this week to explain exactly what Musk's role is. In a court filing on Monday, he was listed as a senior advisor to the president and not as the leader or administrator of the Department of Government Efficiency, or Doge. This distinction could prove important as his critics continue to argue, even sue, over the power he has been given. Gail, President Trump himself was asked about Musk's title yesterday, and he said, "Call him whatever you want."
Well, he says tech support, so all right. We're all paying attention. Thank you, Nancy. The Vatican says Pope Francis had a peaceful night one day after it was announced that he has pneumonia in both of his lungs. Now, this is a concern.